What's up everybody, it's Michelle Nia and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of cloud computing with Microsoft Azure. Whether you're a coding whiz, an IT pro, or just starting to explore the cloud, understanding Azure's key components is like having the keys to a tech kingdom. Azure is vast and powerful, but don't worry, we're breaking it down into bite-sized pieces. We're talking virtual machines, app services, storage solutions, databases, you name it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each component does and how it can help you level up your tech game. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's unlock the power of Microsoft Azure together. Welcome to our deep dive into the key components of the Microsoft Azure platform. Whether you're a developer, IT professional, or business leader, understanding these components can help you leverage Azure to its fullest potential. First up, let's talk about Azure Virtual Machines, or VMs. Think of these as the foundation of your cloud infrastructure. Imagine being able to spin up a powerful computer in the cloud whenever you need it, without the hassle of buying and maintaining physical hardware. That's the magic of Azure VMs. These are fully customizable, so you can choose the operating system, the amount of RAM, the storage capacity. Basically, you're building your dream computer in the cloud. Need more power for a specific project? Just scale up your VM with a few clicks. Project's done, easy, just spin it down and stop paying. This flexibility is a game changer, especially if your needs fluctuate, whether you're a developer testing out a new app or a business running resource-intensive applications. Azure VMs offer the scalability and performance you need, all on demand. And the best part, you don't have to be a cloud expert to use them. Azure makes it super simple to deploy and manage your VMs, even if you're new to the cloud. But Azure VMs are just the tip of the iceberg. Let's move on to something even more exciting: Azure App Services. Now, if you're serious about building and deploying applications at scale, you need a platform that can keep up. That's where Azure App Services comes in. This is Platform as a Service, or PaaS, at its finest. What does that mean for you? It means you can focus on what you do best, coding amazing applications, while Azure handles all the infrastructure headaches. Think about it. No more server management, no more worrying about operating system updates, just pure development bliss. Azure App Services supports a wide range of languages and frameworks, from .NET and Java to Python and Node.js. So whether you're building a web app, a mobile backend, or a RESTful API, Azure has got you covered. But here's the really cool part. Azure App Services is built for scalability. As your application grows and more users jump on board, Azure automatically scales your resources to keep things running smoothly. No more performance bottlenecks, no more late night server crashes, just seamless, uninterrupted performance. And let's not forget about security. Azure App Services comes with built-in security features, including authentication, authorization, and threat detection, so you can rest assured that your applications are always protected. Okay, we've got our virtual machines. We're building and scaling apps like pros. But what about our data? That's where Azure Storage Solutions come in. This is where you store all the important stuff, your files, your databases, your backups, everything that makes your digital world go round Azure offers a range of storage options, each optimized for different needs. Let's start with Azure Blob Storage. This is perfect for storing massive amounts of unstructured data like images, videos, and log files. It's incredibly durable, scalable, and surprisingly affordable. Then we have Azure File Storage, which is basically like having a network file share in the cloud. This is great for storing files that need to be accessed by multiple VMs or applications. It's easy to set up, easy to use, and integrates seamlessly with your existing on-premises infrastructure. And last but not least, we have Azure Queue Storage. This is designed for handling large volumes of messages, making it ideal for building asynchronous messaging systems and distributed applications. No matter what type of data you need to store, Azure has a solution that's right for you. And with Azure's global reach and industry-leading security, you can rest assured that your data is always safe and accessible. Now let's talk databases. If you're building modern applications, chances are you need a robust and reliable database to power it all. That's where Azure SQL Database comes in. This is a fully managed relational database service that takes all the hassle out of managing your own database infrastructure. Think about it. No more hardware to provision, no more software to install, no more late night database tuning. Azure handles all of that for you, so you can focus on what really matters, building amazing applications. Azure SQL Database is built on the same SQL Server engine that you know and love, so you can use all the same tools and skills that you're already familiar with. But here's the best part. Azure SQL Database is highly scalable. Need more performance? No problem, just scale up your database with a few clicks. Need to handle even more data? Easy, just add more storage. And with Azure's built-in high availability and disaster recovery capabilities, you can rest assured that your data is always protected. Azure SQL Database is the perfect choice for developers who want the power and the flexibility of a relational database without the headaches of managing it themselves. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for a database that's truly built for the cloud, look no further than Azure Cosmos DB. This is a globally distributed multi-model database service that's designed for speed, scalability, and availability. What does that mean in plain English? It means Azure Cosmos DB can handle massive amounts of data and traffic, all while delivering lightning-fast performance to users around the world. And here's the really cool part. Azure Cosmos DB is multi-model, which means it can handle a variety of data models, including document, key value, graph, and column family. This makes it incredibly versatile and a great choice for a wide range of applications. But perhaps the most impressive feature of Azure Cosmos DB is its global distribution. You can replicate your data across multiple Azure regions around the world, ensuring that your data is always close to your users, no matter where they are. This results in incredibly low latency and high availability, making Azure Cosmos DB the perfect choice for mission-critical applications. Now let's talk about security. In today's connected world, keeping your data and applications secure is more important than ever. That's where Azure Active Directory, or Azure AD, comes in. This is Microsoft's cloud-based identity and access management service that helps you control who has access to your Azure resources. Think of it as the gatekeeper to your Azure kingdom. With Azure AD, you can easily manage users, groups, and permissions, ensuring that that only authorized individuals have access to your sensitive data. But Azure AD is more than just a security tool. It also makes it incredibly easy for your users to access the applications and data they need from anywhere on any device. With features like single sign-on, SSO, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and conditional access, Azure AD provides a secure and seamless user experience. And because it's integrated with other Azure services, you can easily manage access to all your Azure resources from a single location. So there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the key components of Microsoft Azure, from virtual machines to databases to identity and access management. Azure has everything you need to build, deploy, and scale your applications in the cloud, whether you're just getting started with Azure or you're a seasoned pro. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what Azure has to offer. And remember, this is just the beginning. Azure is constantly evolving and adding new features. So there's always something new to learn. So keep experimenting, keep building, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with Microsoft Azure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the key components of Microsoft Azure. Whether you're looking to develop new applications or scale existing ones, Azure offers the tools and performance you need to succeed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights.